What's up,
What's up,
everybody? My name
everybody?
is
My
Muhammad
name is
Rafi
Muhammad
Atala,
Rafiata,
and today
and today
I'm currently
I'm
in class right
currently in
now,
class
but
right now.
then I
But then
forgot that
I
I have
forgot
to
that I
do
have to
my
do
data
my
structure
data
final
structure
project
final
with
project with
my
my
greatest friend,
greatest
Tae
friend,
Wian.
Tae Wian.
So this
So this
data structure final
data structure
project
final
is about
project
a
is
website
about a
that
website that
Tae Wian,
Tae
my
Wian,
dearest
my
friend, will
dearest friend,
explain.
will explain.
So let's try
So
to run
let's try
our
to run
program.
our program.
Now it's
Now
currently
it's
running.
currently running.
Now we open
Now
our
we open
website.
our website.
Whoa,
Well,
sorry.
what's that?
Sorry.
All right, Wian, can you
Right,
Okay.
Ian,
explain?
can you explain?
Yeah. Thank you, Rafi, for the cool introduction. So for this session, I'm gonna explain about the data structure. So before I explain the data structure, I want to explain about how our program is about. So basically, our program is to visualize more easily about the data structure that we learn in the class, which are the stack, queue, linked list, double linked list, multi-linked list, and binary search tree. So our program gonna be demonstrate how the link on the data structure appear in real life, how it works, and how the data structure look like. So first of all, let's start from the stack. So in here, you can see the interface, and there is a add button, remove button, a remove value button, and also reset and random fill button. So first of all, we want to add a value in our stack. So we can put a value in the value category. So between 0 to 99. So we're gonna put 33, and then we're gonna click add. So it will create a data stack that the value is 32. Sorry, I clicked add 2 times, so it add 232. So I'm gonna remove 132. So I'm gonna click remove. And then after I put one value, if I want to put another value, I can uh, type another value in the value section, and then I can put one more. Yeah, this is how I put the data in the stack. And if you don't want to put the value directly, but you want to put a random value, you can choose the random fill category. So if you choose the random fill, it's gonna fill the value like randomly. So this is how we make the stack. So let me show you how to remove the value from the stack. So basically, if I show earlier, if we click the remove button, it will directly remove the value that we put the last. So the one it cannot remove the value that is the last in the stack. So if we click the remove again, it will remove the value 10. So yeah, and then if we click remove again, it will remove the 24. And then this time we want to remove the exact value. So in here we want to remove 68. So we're gonna type the value in 68, and then we're gonna click remove value. So it's gonna remove their 68 stack. Yeah, this is how the stack data structure works. And then after that, we also have the queue data structure. So let's see how queue is work. So in queue, similar to the stack, if we want to put a value, just type a value and then click the add button. So we're gonna create a data stack in the queue, and then we're gonna put another value. So we're gonna 26 added in there, and in the queue, the value that we put uh, gonna be in there in the back, okay, and then we're gonna put a value, one more value again, okay. So this is how we put the value in the queue. It's mostly similar to the stack. And let's see how we remove the value. So if we click the remove button, then it's gonna remove the first value that we put. Okay. So the main difference from the stack and queue is in stack, if we remove the value, then it's gonna remove the last value that we put. But in the queue, if we click the remove, then it's gonna remove the first value of in the queue. So this is how the queue function works. And then let's see the link links. So in the link links, that adding the data is similar. So we're gonna just type a value and then click add. So like one is added and also we're gonna put another value, one more. one more, and here. So this is the linked list. So basically, most of the data structure are similar. Like if we put a new value, we're gonna add it in the last one. So let's see how the remove function works. So we're gonna click the remove. So let's see what value is removed from the list. So 36 is removed, right? So this one also similar to the stack. If we click remove, then the last value is removed from the list. So this is how the linked list data structure works. So after this, uh, about the double linked list, multi-linked list, and binary search tree, my friend Rafi Atala, who is the most handsome guy in the class, gonna explain. So let's see how he explain.
Thank you so much, my dearest friend Wei for the wonderful explanation starting from stack until long linked list. Now, I'll explain double linked list until binary search tree. Now, for double linked list, it's quite similar to linked list, but if we add a value or a node, there is next and then previous. And then what happened if we remove the value? Then 85 will get removed. So it's the same as linked list, but it has another value in the struct that is previous. Now next is the multi-linked list. Now multi-linked list is more complicated. So I'll try to explain it briefly. So let's try to add a value and then another value and then another value again. Now here, as we can see here, so this node has one that moves forward to other node. So these three dots means that it has another connection which can connect it to other, but the maximum is only three. And also we can add more, add more, and then remember that this is must be shorted. As you can see here, this is shorted. So 28 to 36, 69 to 71, and then these three dots connected to 76, which has the same three dots as 71. And then what will happen if we remove the value? And then again, oh, sorry. So let's try remove 83. Now remove, okay. And then how about 76? Yeah, it's successfully been removed. So that's overall about multi-linked list. Next is about binary search tree, which is more complex. Now binary search tree, let's try to add a node here. So we automatically get 76. Now, if we add another node, we'll get 36. Now, why is it on the left side? Because in binary search tree, it must be shorted. So, for example, if since the root is 76, if it's below 76, then the node will be on the left side of the root. If it's higher, for example, let's say that we put 84, which is larger than 76, and then we add, then it will be on the right. And then we do it again. We can add randomly. So that's basically how binary search tree works. We can also remove the value. We have to insert the value. So for example, we want to remove the 63, remove by value, then it will turn into 68. So I guess that's our explanation. Uh, our website is overall is about visualizing data structure on what it looks like, and then how it works. So thank you everybody for watching this explanation, and thank you too for my greatest friend Teuian for explaining.
Yeah, thank you, Rafi.
Okay,
You
I
did
think
great.
okay, thank you too.
Yeah.
I guess that's all. Thank you so much everyone for watching this, and then see you in the next video.
Yeah. See you.
See you.